Welcome to Global Tax Talks Tax in 60 Seconds. I'm Will Morris, and here are some things to watch out for in the coming week. First, expect to hear about transparency and public country-by-country reporting, as Australia releases draft legislation on its Public CbCR regime. This will be effective from July 1, 2024 for tax years beginning then or thereafter. Now, there have been some welcome changes, including a new Australian turnover materiality threshold and the removal of reporting on items around intangible assets, related party expenses, and some others originally proposed last year. The CbCR disclosures relate to Australia and to 41 other jurisdictions, including Switzerland, Singapore, and Hong Kong. For calendar year taxpayers, the first reporting year will be FY25, with reporting due by 12/31/2026. Now, inspired by the Santiago background, there are a couple of items from Chile that are important to watch given that country's leading role in the new LATAM tax plan. First, Chile is embarking on a major tax reform that will affect direct and indirect taxes. On the direct tax side, there are proposed changes, and just give three examples. First, to the rules on international business reorganizations, on valuation methods that taxpayers must apply to prove fair market value, and to Chile's General Anti-Avoidance Rule, or GAR, to allow it to be more easily applied. And Chile also announced that its 19% sales tax on foreign providers of digital services has brought in $1 billion since its introduction in 2020. Unsurprisingly, the highest paying businesses were from the US. Finally, a quite refreshing hearing of the EU Parliamentary Subcommittee on Tax, or FISC, where on February 13th, a number of experts testified on ideas which, per the title of the hearing, were about tackling tax obstacles in the internal market and the role of tax policies in promoting economic growth. Now, this Parliament is drawing to a close, but hopefully some of these ideas will re-emerge in the next Parliament. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, and come back next week so that you stay global tax ready.